Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. It's finally May, so it's our last month of school. We only have to endure this for just one more month. So I'm just going to give you your expectations for this week this time. I'm going to click on my fake classwork up at the top, and then I'll go through the assignment guide, maybe. Okay. So you'll be expected to work through activities related to our theme, which is the challenge to make a difference, which I've said every single week. All of this stuff is going to be due by Friday, May 8th, so that's this Friday. On Monday, so today, open the document titled Do Something, a handbook for young activists, and read through the informational text. Then read the campaign summaries and use the highlight function to identify what, why, and how of each campaign. Highlight the what in orange, the why in green, and the how in blue, and those directions are on the document as well. I will show you that in just a second. On Wednesday, I want you to open the document titled webquest.dosomething.org and follow the step-by-step instructions. So it's very important to follow the instructions, because if you don't, then you're going to end up in the wrong place on the website. So you'll click on the link. Once you're on the website, you'll click on Causes up at the top. There's an option for all campaigns at the bottom of the drop-down. Click that. This will bring you to a page with several different campaigns. You are to scroll through those campaigns and pick 3 that interest you, and then you'll complete the chart that explores the campaigns of the young activists. Okay, so let me show you those documents. This is today's activity, Monday. Do Something, a handbook for young activists. It says read the informational text. So all you're doing is just reading this short blurb here, read through these facts, and then here are your directions for the campaign. So it says read the following campaign summaries, identify the what, why, and how of each issue, highlight the what in orange, the why in green, and the how in blue. So it says what is the issue or problem the student wanted to do something about. So that is the what. Why did the student care about the issue? You'll highlight that in green. And then how did the student end up making a difference in the end? You'll highlight that in blue. Okay, there's 3 campaigns here. One's by Sarah Cronk, one's by Danny Mendoza, and one is by Jordan Coleman. So you'll just read through those 3 campaigns and then highlight the what, why, and how. So that's today's assignment. On Wednesday, you will click on WebQuest, dosomething.org. Says follow the steps below to begin researching dosomething.org, and here are your step-by-step instructions. So click on the link. Once you're there, click on Causes, click all campaigns, and then this will bring you to the page of the campaigns where you actually look at all of them and then pick 3. Once you've picked 3, you will fill in the chart here. So name of campaign, what is the issue, why is this an important issue, or why is it important to you? Why did you choose it? And then what was the solution to the problem? How did they end up helping people? So how did the campaign make a difference? So you have 3 of those. So this is campaign 1, this is campaign 2, and this is campaign 3. Okay, let me take you to the website real quick, and I'll show you the steps to take. So dosomething.org. If you look up here at the top, it says Causes. Click on Causes and scroll down. It says All Campaigns. Click All Campaigns. And these pictures are the different campaigns. So you can just explore and click on these and then just find out which one you would like to write about in the chart. Okay? Let me go back to the WebQuest. At the bottom of the WebQuest, there is an example of what I am looking for. So campaign title. This campaign title was I Am a Woman, Hear Me Score. The problem was that the U.S. women's national soccer team is being paid less than their male counterparts simply because they are women. And that is something that is still going on today. It says this is an important issue because The U.S. women's national soccer team has won 3 World Cup titles, 4 Olympic gold medals, and generates more money than the men's U.S. soccer team. Yet they make less money than them. This interests me and is important because I'm a woman who has played soccer and now coaches the sport. Okay, this was written by Miss Stabella, so she actually wrote that. That is why I don't actually coach soccer. How did the campaign make a difference? Solution. It used social media, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to reach out to the U.S. Soccer Federation and demand equal pay for athletes of all genders. Okay, so that's all I want you to do for 3 different campaigns. Okay, email me if you have any questions. I will send a Google Hangout invite on Wednesday. Have a great week.